Today we're assembling the PodiTrap TT, so that stands for treadle trigger. We've chosen a site that's reasonably flat, it's close to a fence, and we've got a bit of bush surrounding us, so there's likely to be stoats in here. All you need is a drill, a hammer, and your box that everything comes in. So inside the box we've got 2 tunnels. We've got PodiTrap. So this comes in 2 bits. Around the back is just a little bit holding it in place. So you just need to unpin that and then pull this one off. Cool. We've also got a mat which we're going to lay the trap on top of. So once you've unboxed everything, we'll be putting the tunnels onto the main body. This bit's super easy. So basically there's a groove in here which we're just lining up onto this plastic bit here. So it should just slide on and it'll go click. Then grab one of your rivets and pop it in one of the holes and push it home. There's 4 rivets in each tunnel. So click all 4 in place. Good. And the other side's exactly the same. So the ground around here is a little bit lumpy, so we've chosen the best possible spot that we can to lay down our mat and PodiTrap. What we need is to be able to get these as flat on the ground as possible because we're going to be driving some stakes in there. Right, so now we're just going to put this lid on top of the PodiTrap. To do this, we're going to line up this yellow handle with the slot through here, so you'll be able to see it if you look directly down. Just like that. Then grab one of your rivets and pop it in. So we're just going to wiggle this right to the front, so the front edge is lined up with the front of the mat. Grab our kegs and we're going to drive them into the ground. So your 3rd peg goes in here, so we're going to have to lift this off. Push in those lugs, grab your peg and make sure you line it up so that it's not going to hit the mat when you drive it through. Have your drill and so now we have a fully assembled PodiTrap and it's ready for our baiting operation.